Hey guys, it's Wednesday, August the 30th. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody is making some money so far this week. This week's kind of slow as far as news. This is also slow because most brokerage houses have their best analysts are on vacation until after Labor Day. So it makes the volume kind of slow, makes it whippy. So you have to be careful. The only really news, well, there's some tomorrow morning in the U.S., but it's nothing great. Friday is the big market mover one, and that's the unemployment U.S. So be careful on that. We're going to start going over the currencies, starting with the pound dollar. We talked about yesterday there was a buy, and boy was there on the pound dollar. As it's moved up, it's now made a 1 hour sell. On the 4 hour, it's still in a buy. So those are in agreement. Oh, well, not in agreement anymore, but they were from yesterday. There was our buy opportunity right down there. You had two opportunities to get in on the 4 hour for the long. And Aussie dollars in a 1 hour sell, and a 4 hour buy. So those are just like the pound dollar. Those aren't in agreement just yet. Euro CAD 1 hour is in a sell. There it is right there. Just kind of dropped off. Really didn't have a chance to get in there. See what the 4 hour looks like. Does it have a sale? It's making a sale, but it's already made a sale. That's a weird looking candle though. That could retrace some of that up spike before it does sell. So nothing to do on the Euro CAD just yet. On the CAD yen, there's a 1 hour sale. There's the poke back up again a couple of times on the 1 hour sale. 4 hour sale. So those are in agreement. The CAD yen, odd yen's got a 1 hour sale going, and let's see, the 4 hour has got a sale too. So those are in agreement. The odd yen, 1 hour and 4 hour on the sales. The pound Aussie 4 hour is in a sale, but I'm looking for a retracement up on that. The 1 hour in a buy. So those aren't in agreement just yet, but I'm looking for a push up higher on the pound Aussie though, on the 1 hour at least. The pound CAD, let me go back to that. Let's see. Pound CADs in a 1 hour sell, and the 4 hour is in a sale as well. So those are in agreement right now. The pound CAD 1 hour and 4 hour on sales. The pound yen 1 hour is just made a sell candle on a 1 hour. The 4 hour is in a sell. So those are in agreement, but I would have thought this may have come up into here somewhere before it sold off, but it may not. That was on the 1 hour, 4 hour. This is a 1 hour. This is just made a sell. Euro New Zealand dollar is in a 1 hour sale. Four hours in a sale too. So those are in agreement. I would have thought this would have made a move up into here before the sale opportunity comes on the Euro New Zealand. That's what I'm looking for. Low risk trade, because they're in the middle of no man's land right there. Pound New Zealand is going to be the same way. There's a buy, 1 hour buy. 4-hour sell. So there should be a little poke up on the 1 hour somewhere up into here before there's a sell opportunity, better sell. So that 1 hour could push up a little bit more. I don't know about you guys, but on my pound New Zealand, the spread on it is like 5 to 6, kind of expensive, but it's a good mover. Pound New Zealand is, so you can easily make that up, that spread. New Zealand yen 1 hour has made a sell and it's trying to make its way down. The 4 hour is in, I think it's a buy. Yep, there's the buy. It's pushed up, so those aren't in agreement just yet. The 1 hour is in the sell, the 4 hours in a buy on the New Zealand yen. The euro yen 4 hour has just made a sell. That actually looks pretty good because of the push up. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. It's made a sell, so those are in agreement right now. The euro 1 hour and 4 hour on sales. Low risk trade there right now. The euro Aussie dollars in a 1 hour buy. There's your poke down, another poke down. The low risk trades were right there to get in, and you've made some money. Should have. Take off, half, fourth, third, eighth, whatever you feel comfortable with. That's just me though. I do half, just from experience, years of experience doing half. And there's the push up on that, the 1 hour. So the 4 hour is in a sale, so those aren't in agreement, but I'm looking for the euro Aussie to kind of push up into here before the sale comes. But you'd have to keep up, because if it takes those out, it's going lower. So be careful if you are in the euro Aussie long. If it takes that one out right there, because that one's lower than that one, if it takes that one out, it's going lower. It's going to take that out too, so that's your stop. Or if you want, that one could be your stop, because it's probably going to take both of those out if it goes lower. So that's the video for today. Just please, if you would, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm not trying to get Kardashian likes and subscribes. All I want to do is be able to help people trading, because that's all I do. I'm not trying to make money off of YouTube like a bunch of these are that spend so much time of their trading day trying to push to get 1,000 likes or 10,000 likes or 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. That's not me. If you want to follow them and you're trying to push that, because I'm not sure that they actually trade, but I do trade for a living. I don't do anything else but this. Done it for 17 years, well, 17 on the Forex. I've actually done 25 in all, because I started out doing stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and thankfully got away from all that stuff, because that wasn't couldn't make money at it consistently. But since I found Forex, I have been consistent, very consistent. And but that's up to you guys what you want to do. But if it's me as a trader and I want somebody who's actually trading, not using a demo account or even a funded account, which they can pay for a little bit of that, but they can trade on that for a little while and just get as many subscribers as they can and likes as they can during that time. But you want somebody who's going to spend their time teaching about trading, trying to make you a better trader. That's what you want. If you're looking and listening to somebody that's not doing that, why are you wasting your time? You're just there for the chat and talking. I'm not for that. I look for these trades. I look through them, try to find ones that are low risk trades. Oh, and I need to remind everybody, to subscribe so you can get a notification that I'm going to be doing live streaming. Hopefully, I have somebody working on this, and they're still shooting for right now. It looks like the day after Labor Day, live streaming. But he said worst case scenario, it would be a week or two out, but it would still be in September. So you'd have to get notified on that as to when I'm starting. My start times will be, I'm in the U.S., so it's Eastern time zone. It's going to start around 8 o'clock, maybe even 7:45 in the morning, Eastern time, and go until about 11:30-ish, and then come back on later in the afternoon to see if there's take profit opportunities or other opportunities for buys or sales. But I won't be on for that long, probably an hour at the most, and that would be later in the afternoon U.S. time. So I hope everybody has a good night, and if you're in trades, please take profit if you have it from 40 to 60 pips. I do half. You're welcome to do eighth, a third, or a fourth, or a half, or whatever you feel comfortable with. That's your decision. You don't have to base everything on what I do. That's what you feel comfortable with doing. But once you do that and you take profit at that number, then you have to adjust your stop. You have to move it up a little bit to protect that, and then you want that other part to be able to run, and hopefully the run will continue, even though it really hasn't done that a whole lot in the month of August. It's been tight trading ranges, so it's a little bit harder to do that. Become September, it's going to be easier. So we'll see everybody tomorrow with another video.